Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these best business formation tools called Strip Atlas. So here's the breakdown. Strip Atlas is a business formation and startup toolkit designed to make launching a company as simple as clicking a button. It helps you incorporate your business, get a federal EIN, open a business bank account, and access to Strip payment, all from one streamlined platform. For founders, e-commerce sellers, and solopreneurs who want a no-nonsense way to start a legit business without juggling lawyers or paperwork. Strip Atlas removes a lot of friction and gets you up and running faster. That said, Strip Atlas is almost valuable if you actually need United States incorporation and a United States bank setup for international funders or very small side projects that don't require United States entity. It might be more than you need, but sometimes it includes fees and hard up. So in my opinion, the Strip Atlas is one of the best business formation tools available, especially for startup and online business aiming for scalable payment integration and streamlined legal setup. But be sure if it fits your business location and long-time structure before committing. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button, subscribe for more video, and that's it.